Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send photos as snaps on Snapchat. All right. So basically, we're going to use our gallery or a camera roll. So first up, go ahead and swipe up. Once you're in here in the snap section, okay, just swipe up like so. And then you're going to want to select a photo. For example, this photo right here. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and tap on the three dots. And then go ahead and tap on Remix Snap. Okay. Now, as you can see, our camera is opened. And make sure to select the face inset. Okay, this filter. And now what you'll do is go ahead and hide. Okay, so that your face won't be shown. So go ahead and hide. I'm going to hide like so. And then just tap on the capture button. And there you have it. Okay, you can just easily send it to someone or add it to your story. Okay, edit if you want to edit the photo. If not, just go straight up send to maybe to my AI right here because I don't have any friends. All right, I'm just going to tap on it. And you can go ahead and save as copy if you want to. If not, just leave it as is and tap on cancel. All right. I'm going to tap on my AI. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.